I welcome all of you guys in the lesson number 47 for grade 1 mathematics. What we are studying, guys, we're studying about the comparing lengths, and now you'll have learnt about how to compare the lengths. You know that if there are three or four animals, you have to compare their height. So you use either will say tall, taller, or tallest. If the giraffe C is the tallest here in all giraffe, because giraffe C is taller than A also and B also, and giraffe A is shortest because it is having less height than B and C also. Okay, so when you compare two giraffes, so you will use either taller or shorter because you're comparing heights. Like B is taller than A and A is shorter than B. Okay, and when you compare more than three or more than two giraffes altogether, and the question asks you which is the tallest, so you will use tallest. You also did one of the example that was for the pencils. You have compared the pencil A, pencil B, pencil C. Here you are comparing the width, and the longest pencil here is C because it is longer than B also and longer than A also. But the shortest pencil is here is A. Pencil A is shorter than all. It has less width. Look at this, look at this, look at this. B, C, and D all are longer than A. So you can compare, you can say pencil B is longer than A, but pencil B is shorter than C. Pencil A is shorter than B also, and shorter than C also, and shorter than D also. Or you can say pencil D is shorter than pencil C, but longer than pencil B. You have done too much practice for these two examples as well. We also learned the example of the positions, guys. Like this balloon is the is it the highest position? This green is higher than this orange, and this orange is high. Yesterday we completed one of the practice zone exercises where what you have to do, you have to circle the correct object, the taller candle. So you can easily see that this is the shorter candle and this is the taller. So you make a circle here. The second is about the longer scarf. So there are two scarves. You can find that this is the longer scarf. That's why you circle it. And the third one about was about the shortest bottle. So there are one, two, three, four bottles. Four bottles. They have different size, different height. So you see that this is the shortest bottle. That's why you circle it. If someone asks you the the tallest bottle, so you will circle this one. Up to here we completed yesterday. What we are going to do today, guys, we are going to start some work in our notebook. We are going to practice this comparison of length more in our notebook. We will do some work in our notebook, and we will practice some questions for this in the notebook. And later on we will move to the measuring length, where you will learn how we can measure the length of particular object or things. All right, so this is the practice, guys. This is the work which you have to complete in your notebook. Take out your notebooks, please. All of you, take out your notebooks. Guys, did you take out your notebooks?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes,
No,
sir.
sir.
No,
Yes,
sir.
sir. I take out.
Very good, very good. Take out the notebook and write the question. The question is, look at the above lines and fill in the boxes. Look at the, I'm going to make it bigger for you guys. Look at the above lines and fill in the boxes. This is the question, guys. In the notebook, what you have to do, guys, in the notebook, you have to draw first lines A, B, C, D. Before here drawing the lines on the top of the page, write the today's date and the topic name is comparing length. Okay, and you should write the date, and it is not from the book, that's why leave the page number. Comparing length, and today date is 22 March. It is 22 March 2021. Draw 4 lines A, B, C, and D, and you will draw with the same length. Look, C is shortest here, B is longer than C, and A is longer than B and C, and D is the longest. In the same way, you have to draw the lines in your notebook, okay, with the same size. Same size means you have to keep in mind that A should be longer than B and C, D should be longest, C should be shortest, and B should be longer than C but shorter than A, because we will do examples from these lines. Clear, guys?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Very good. Did you start drawing the lines?
No,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Complete, sir. No, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, start drawing the lines, guys. I'm going to write question number 1A. The question number 1, look at the above lines and fill in the boxes. 1A is line A is dash than line B. I'm going to write it. Line A is dash than line B. Shorter, longer. Guys, you have to tell me the answer. Line A, this is the line A and this is the line B. You have to check the length and you have to tell me line A is dash than line B. Shorter or longer? Line A is dash, either shorter or longer. Yes, guys, tell me your answers in the chat box, please. Line A is dash than line B. Ahmad Al-Badi, very good. Siddiq Ghalib, Rashid, Suleiman Tariq, Rayan, Muhammad Ali, Sayyid Uzaifa Ajmal, Umar, Muhammad Kashan, Abdul Mueed, Muhammad Tilha, very good. Arish, no. Check it again. Sami, very good. Abdul Malik Hassan, very good. Muhammad Mashti, very good. Muhammad Momin, very good. Uzaifa Rashid, very good. Yusuf, very good. Rakan, no. I am asking about line A. This is line A. Line A is dash then line B. This is line B. Exactly, Arshuman. Very good, Arish. Okay, I'm going to take one of the student and I will ask him. Muhammad Ahmad Almas.
Yes, sir.
Line A is dash then line B. Shorter or longer? Yes. Muhammad Ahmad Almas. Muhammad Ahmad Almas.
Yes, sir.
Line A is dash then line B. Shorter or longer?
Longer.
Longer. Okay, very good. And Sami Al Hiji.
Yes, sir.
Line A is dash then line B. Shorter or longer?
Shorter.
Line A is shorter than line B?
Now longer.
Longer, okay. Yahya Yusuf. Yahya Yusuf.
Yes.
Line A is dash then line B. Shorter or longer? Yes. Yes.
Longer.
Longer. Okay. Wali Ahmed.
Yes, sir.
Line A is dash than line B. Shorter or longer?
Longer.
Longer. That's very good. Exactly, guys. What is the answer? Line A is
Longer. 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 Longer.
very good. Very good. Exactly. Line A is longer than line B. So I will write here line A is longer than line B. This is the answer. Answer I am going to make it with red. Line A is longer than line B. Now I'm going to write B. B is line B is dash than line D. Line B is dash than line D. Shorter, longer. Line B is dash than line D. Now guys, you have to compare line B with line D. Okay, and you have to tell me the answer. Line B is dash than line D. Muhammad Mashti, very good. Siddiq Ghalib, very good. Suleiman Tariq, very good. Omar Abdul Moeed, very good. Sayyid Uzaf Ajmal, very good. Ahmad Al Badi, Muhammad Momin, Abdul Malik Hassan, Muhammad Mamoon, Arish. Excellent answers, guys. Excellent response. Muhammad Ali, very good. Hatim, very good. Muhammad Talha, very good. Yusuf, very good. Umar Nizar, no. Line B and line D. Muhammad Kashan, very good. Rayan, very good. Muhammad Momin, very good. Okay, I'm going to take one of the student, guys. Uh, time knife. Time knife.
Yes, sir.
Line B is dash then line D. Longer or shorter?
Shorter.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, that's very good. He's saying shorter. Let me check with one more student. Time Allah.
Yes, sir.
Line B is dash then line D. Shorter or longer?
Line what?
Line B is dash then line D. Longer or shorter?
Shorter.
Shorter, okay. Suleiman Abdullah.
Sir.
Line B is dash then line D. Longer or shorter?
Longer.
Line B is longer than line D. This is line B and this is line D. Check. Yes. This is line B and this is line D.
I chose.
Look, line B is long from it. You can see how much long line B is. Okay, and you can see that D starts from here and reach up to here. So which is longer, B or D? D is longer. So line B is shorter than line D or longer than line D? Line B is not longer because line D is longer. So line B is shorter.
Shorter.
Why shorter? Because it has less width. Look, it has more width, right?
Right.
Okay. And who is next? Soleh Al Malohi. Soleh. Soleh.
Yes, sir.
Line B is dash then line D.
What?
Line B is dash then line D.
What?
I am asking line B is dash then line D, shorter or longer?
D.
B, yes. Check B. B is shorter than D or longer than D?
Shorter than
Okay, that's very good. Exactly. What is the answer, guys?
shorter. Shorter. Shorter.
Very good. The answer is shorter because line B is shorter. Look, this is shorter. D is longer. So we will write here shorter. Line B is shorter than line D. This is the answer. Guys, are you writing with me? Very good, very good. Keep writing with me. I am asking questions also. And in the meantime, you can write also. The next is line dash is longer than line A. A, B, C, D. Now, guys, you have to tell me line dash is longer than line A. A, B, C, or D. Dash line is longer than line A. Siddiq Ghalib, Iyad, Muhammad Kashan, Ahmad Al-Wadi, Muhammad Mamoon, Suleiman Tariq, Rayan, and Yusuf. Very good. Exactly correct answer. Abdul Malik Hassan, very good. Sayyid Uzafa, Muhammad Mashti, Iyad, Muhammad Talha, Arish, Abdul Muid, Umar Mohsin, Muhammad Ahmad Al-Mas. Very good. Yes, guys. You have to check. Muhammad Ali, no. You have to check. Dashed line is longer than line A. The options are A, B, C, or D. Look at the line. Which line is longer than line A? This is A. B is shorter. C is shorter. So which line is longer? In that way, you have to check. Umar Nizar, very good. Sami Hijazi, very good. Hatim, very good. Dash line is longer than line A. I'm going to ask by one of the student, Rashid. Rashid. Rashid, can you hear me? Rakan?
Yes.
Yes, Rakan. Line dash is longer than line A.
What?
This is the blank. Line dash is longer than line A. Line A is longer than line A. Line B is longer than or C or D. Which line is longer than line A? A, B, C, or D? Chick.
D.
The answer is D.
Yeah. Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay. Who is answering? Rakan, are you you are answering or Rashid is answering?
Rakan.
All right. Thank you. Rashid, what do you say? Which line is longer than line A?
Longer D.
D. Okay. Rashid and Rakan are saying D is longer than line A. What do you say, guys? Which line?
D. D.
D. Very good. You all are right. Exactly. The answer is D. So we will write here D. Line D is longer than line A. Now we will write D. What is D? Line B is dash than line A. Line B is dash than line A. Shorter, longer. Look at, guys, this is line B and this is line A. Line B is dash than line A. Siddiq Ali, very good. Muhammad Talha, very good. Ahmad Al-Badi, very good. Muhammad Ali, very good. Sayyid Uzaifa Ajmal, very good. Abdul Malik Hassan, very good. Yusuf, very good. Suleiman Tariq, very good. Umar Mohsen, very good. Abdul Muid, no. Arish Taim and Muhammad Kashan, very good. You have to compare, guys, line B with line A. Ryan Umar, no. Very good, Abdul Muid. Line B is dash than line A. Line B is longer or shorter than line A. This you have to check. I'm going to take one of the student and Mosab. Mosab, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, line B is dash than line A. Shorter or longer?
Longer.
Line B is longer than line A. Look, this is line A. This is line A and this is line B. Line B is longer than line A. Yes. Which is longer? A is longer or B is longer?
B.
How B is longer? Look, this is B and this is A. Which is longer? A is longer, not B. Look, this is the width of A and this is the width of B. Okay?
Okay.
So which line is longer, A or B?
A.
A. And which line is shorter, A or B? Shorter means small.
B.
B. So line B is shorter than line A because line A bigger, longer. Okay?
Okay.
Good. All right. I will take one more student. And Mohannad.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Mohannad. Line B is dash than line A. Shorter or longer?
Line B is longer.
Line B is longer than line A.
Yes.
How? This is line B. This is line A. You are saying line B is longer?
As I was what you were saying line D.
No, no. This is line B. Look, it's written line
Okay.
B. So line B is shorter or longer than line A?
Shorter.
Shorter, very good. Thank you. Okay, guys, I'm going to open your mic and you will tell me line B is dash than line A, shorter or longer?
Shorter.
Very good. The answer is shorter because you can see B is shorter, A is longer. Okay, so you will write line B is shorter than line A. Guys, you are you writing with me?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That's very good. That's very good. Now I'm going to write E. Line A is dash than line D. Line A is dash than line D. Line A is dash than line D and dash than, this is I'm writing E. Line A is dash than line D and dash than line B. This is the question, guys. Now shorter, longer. Now you have to tell me the answer for the two blanks. Line A is dash than line D and dash than line B. Very good, Siddiq Ghalib. Abdul Malik Hassan, very good. Muhammad Talha, very good. Check line A with line D. Line A is dash than line D, shorter or longer. Then for this blank, check line A with line B, that A is longer than B or shorter than B. Very good, Ahmad Al-Badi, very good. Sayyid Uzaf Ajmal, very good. Suleiman Tariq, very good. Abdul Muid, very good. Arish, very good. Rashid, very good. Muhammad Kashan, very good. Okay, I'm going to take one of the student. Muhammad Mashti.
Yes, sir.
Line A is dash than line D and dash than line B.
90.
Line A is dash than line D. First tell me this. What should I write here?
Shorter.
Line A is shorter than line D. Very good. Okay. And dash than line B.
Longer.
Longer. That's very good. Thank you. Exactly, guys. The answer is line A is shorter than line D, but longer than line B. Clear, guys?
Yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Very good. Now write next. F. Dash is the longest line. F is guys, dash is the longest line. Options are A, B, C, D. Which is the longest line, guys? Muhammad Talha, Abdul Malik Hassan, Siddiq Ghalib, Sam Samir, Suleiman, Muhammad Mashti, Yusuf, Rayan, Muhammad Kashan, Abdul Muid, Muhammad Ali, Sayyid Uzafa, Umar Mohsen. Very good. Very good. Ahmad Al-Badi, very good. Wali Ahmad, very good. Umar Nizar, very good. Rashid, very good. Muhammad Ahmad Almas, very good. Okay, I'm going to take one of the student. Umar Nizar,
Yes, sir.
which is the longest line here?
D.
D, very good. What does that mean? What is the meaning of longest?
L.
No, 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 no. What does that mean? Longest mean?
It is longer than all.
Very good, very good. Longest means longer than all. Exactly. Thank you.
Welcome.
So, guys, the answer is line D. And because D is the longest line, longest means longer than all. Clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I
Very
want
good.
to answer. Yes, sir.
Very good. Now G. Dash is the shortest line. Dash is the shortest line. Again, the options are A, B, C, D. Dash is the shortest line. Very good answers from Siddiq Ghalib, Sam Samir, Arish, Rayan, Abdul Malik Hassan, Muhammad Talha, Muhammad Mashti, Ahmad Al Badi, Muhammad Ali, Sayyid Uzaifa Ajmal, Umar Nizar, Yusuf, Muhammad Kashan, Umar Mohsen wrong, Suleiman Tariq. Very good. All answers are correct. Hatim, very good. I'm going to take one of the student with me, Ahmad Al Badi. Ahmad Al
Yes.
Badi. Dash is the shortest line. A, B, C, or D? C. Very good. What is the meaning of shortest?
Shortest. Smallest.
Smallest. Shortest means shorter than all, right?
Yes.
That's very good. Okay, guys. Now I'm going to write H. H is dash is longer than line B. Dash is longer than dash line is longer than line B and shorter than line D. Options are A, B, C, D. Dash line is longer than line B but shorter than line D. This is the question. Longer than line B but shorter than line D. Yes, guys, can you tell me the answer?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
The answer is A.
Yes,
Guys, the answer is A. A is the line which is longer than B but shorter than D. Okay. You can just check which line is longer than B. There is only one line. There are two lines which are longer than B, A or D. But that is shorter than D. That's mean this is A. Clear, guys?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Very good, guys. Our class time is finished. Inshallah, I'll meet you tomorrow. Until then, take care of yourself. Bye-bye. See you in the next class.
Bye bye, sir. Bye bye, sir. Bye bye. Bye bye,
Bye-bye.
sir.